Okay, the next characteristics of a sound wave. The thing is sound wave yet mutu sa yen ko nipage tida tiura. Characteristics thuk tu jore tango de kare frequency. Frequency lana sra sound ki travel shitu kala wave motion thon dugdo right? Wave motion. Sound ki travel chive kala wave motion dudu kala wave thang khaje sesos. frequent lana yangsi tena jinja nana de da bu khaje 속대 레레 제가 되고다 다시 속대 찍나 당만이 있는지 되고다 so frequently 아니 진대네 되고도 슬라이드 양세 라이드 찍 어디네 마다 저라 찍고 frequent 라이드 아 디나신게 가시 가래 부하시 가래 진대나 라베카라 쿠비안에 인짐지야 당가 망고 라고다 당가 망고 가시 쭉 대도도 야고치네다 게라 라베카라니 야고치네도다 가시 가래 they could be an air lam yangse lam khido so that is frequently ani could be an air language frequent lana ta tok tok ala yangse ta the frequency lana sound the wave motion to travel chido so wave motion wave khaju source thang khaju form chi source wave chik lana khare compression chi the rarefaction chik dikha cha re wave chik char one oscillation or the kachare one oscillation okay or dinje thang khajo source or the khalire frequency okay the density and pressure of the medium oscillates between a maximum value and a minimum value and these forms are complete oscillation the number of such oscillations per unit time is the frequency of the sound wave per unit time not per second okay Zira Dumba Gavana Janra oscillation to and fro the mean position Kalrata, Manzo Dinashing sound ki medium ki particle the mean position Retata, thinking also longitudinal chesa, longitudinal Adugala, particle Tango di Bachash, the Tango di two chola door, particle Niva door, Rosa Jala near the Tango da Niva Ruchasa, compression check, and the Jala Achare for a Suranja, Osa, a reflection Sosa. Ta di Jala Niva there, Niva gi Sumba the case sound. Sumba like niva the super ruchara compression and then two yonsa okay so dila dukala particle tinso hatch to two yong chi the oscillate okay so the sound travel chi dukala wave motion to the wave chick kande lana compression chi the rarefaction chick yona khachire one oscillation does or the one oscillation chi la time khacho ko lana unit time 1 second or the khachare one frequency char okay so calculation lana ya yorta one frequency lana one wavelength lana do so as a wavelength gel do the wavelength lana ye to hare lana sound wave chicks complete chick and the compression chick the rarefaction chick la one wavelength yana one frequency yana one oscillation lana the particles of the medium d oscillate in to and fro thang chik pha do chu yona ja yama tela tujo ka chu gure 1 second okay so that is that dinte thang khajo source wave dinte compression chi the rarefaction yukyo chi thang khajo source hote la khade re frequency lesra the frequency is symbol into those tire and the low to gala new yeah the computer na into the she ma so titi lost is in the those na me bot la tiura the low to new lan to re and SI unit khalana the frequency che le wave sound wave ye Dutch produce user dina she phage baby chu orda pela mi kebach ta gas and old man jike ke je she orda azu sumcha gi sound record chene ne phage wave to by na computer na record china so la frequency ma dos na du gala sound wave khaju ma cha no the kare frequency ma so the frequency calculate che to calculate chi du gala and unit chu kora wo the unit kare hertz so then as khasi draw sa hertz la di ra so hertz is scientist mean chi gi and di kare chagani dira chi gor and hertz ki short form hz chuma th h capital th and z chuma th so SI unit of the frequency is hertz and symbol in this che di lo ti pachure ra khan this lo re nu frequency ki symbol di che pena so symbol na hydrogen element in a hydrogen ki symbol kare h to okay so din ashin ki symbol di che in a symbol di h ti na symbol di lo tu h lan lo ra so din ashin di symbol di lo tu nu lan lo er Okay. Ta ganza order de. Then the compression rarefaction chal rela sa. So dila tu kala medium ki particle din so ru cha re cha che. Ta frequency lana ine dima to kare wave chicks wavelength chick yana frequency chicks compression chick or rarefaction chick or inde set chick la kala frequency chick ani chaju gala thujo khajo korko re 1 seconds. That is time taken to okay. So frequency lana compression to the rarefaction the distance de la kala ire ani kare inde chik la kala ire lana frequency ta dinje thang khajo chazo de ta khajo to de la di graph di wave de khajo to chik che ni che cha ma da the compression the rarefaction in the complete in the so ni the cha so dinje thang khajo chazo so that you are ijela joy ke li do de sound wave ni che da okay a the b sound wave a the b la frequency khagi la ma dos na ma jo a la ne achene a na la wave ka to chik che ni che oza ani the cha so de la chik che ni ma do so dila tu kala wave khathang ka jo cha do de la khali re frequency la ba the next thing also time period time taken okay time taken la du kala ta inde frequency chik dene boju ne inde chik la thujo khajo gorso o de la khali re time taken oza yana complete kamsach ta anda dene de ba to stu do and sound the travel chi do de la thujo khajo gorso o de le time period yana time taken okay ine one oscillation chikla standard time kachore 1 second one oscillation lana one oscillation lane re one frequency lane re one wavelength lane re chikpar osa ta ajo wavelength jenu do okay the next property dina so kar do time taken ki symbol t che ra time taken symbol t che ani SI unit khare second time calculate chira pela di object chi sound frequency produce chigyo chikreta the object shamba chi the object b ki sound frequency produce chigyo ta koni ki time taken loga chaiga time taken loga chaidu kana thujo khajo gore slide jora o calculate chidu ani second na calculate chire simple khare t the time taken by two consecutive compressions or rarefactions to cross a fixed point is called as a time period of the wave. Two consecutive lana ta dengi oscillation chik yana frequency chik two consecutive lana chik jela chik la ora consecutive lana chik compression chik the next compression chik di paru la jujo goe jora o de la time taken la ores yana two consecutive rarefaction thambo the next rarefaction dipadula sound chik travel chira sound the wave motion na travel chira o the travel chitu tuju skura o the kale re time taken na ores or time taken for one complete oscillation yana thinking also sound wave kam chik two consecutive compression na dugore two consecutive rarefaction na dugore yana one compression one rarefaction chik o de la kale one oscillation yana one frequency yana one wavelength o de la ani kare thujo khajo gorgure o de la kale time taken SI unit di kare second che symbol the t che the relationship between frequency and time period di kardo frequency di karte slow la so kai symbol the nu is equal to 1 by t la reciprocal do ta koni frequency manga yana time taken the numere and time taken manga bogu yana frequency numere okay so the inversely proportional nu is equal to 1 by t leda nu is inversely proportional to time taken inde dusti yeda khasa frequency ki symbol frequency is symbol d into kana frequency the time karuna deva kana so inversely proportional na sa 1 by t inverse lana buting no ne sa d manga na d numer frequency manga yonas time taking the newer tena thinking here ni disa chik ni disa okay koni la time taking kagi manga yore kagi newer na frequency manga yonas time taking newer 이 망님 개다야 맞다. 이 도고 싶은 쪽어데. 도고 싶은 쪽도 뒤져 용할. 이 칼리 폼 주고. 오케이. So time taken 망아이나 frequency 용할. 내 frequency 용하다. 내 wave 용하다. wave 용하다. wave 되게 디바도 직. 되게 also wave length 라나 two consecutive compression 라다. DC 라 DR 라 DC 라. याना दिने दिबादो चिकला खाले one frequency याना one oscillation yana one frequency one oscillation yana intensity ne duor compression to rarefaction chikti ne duor compression to compression ne duor rarefaction to rarefaction one oscillation lana osa okay or dinde chikla ne tujo khajo kodwa dela time taken la parasa okay so koni parula jawab der so proportionality nu is equal to 1 by t lana frequency manga time taken nyunga then time taken nyunga then also sound wave a then time taken nyunga che frequency manga dwa that sound wave nyunga then time taken manga re frequency nyunga doctor frequency lana keras kare wave thang khaju chado lana wave khades thakatsi gure lana compression thangbo daniwa consecutive or the wave chik char into jina chik itine duor yana rarefaction chik consecutive chik the chik or the kare wave chik char some wave chik yana oscillation chik yana frequency chik or dinde thang khaju chados so dela anda kardo compression nan chik cha sa dele cha sa ta dela compression and khacha so the rarefaction cha sa right dela second madum da pena compression and rarefaction nadi kala sound wave chik wadmida compression to compression sound wave chik ra yana oscillation chik yana frequency chik ra yana deshe gyatan shemba chik ne rarefaction to rarefaction consecutive rarefaction chik sound wave chik ra oscillation chik so dela chik wadmida and dela hajo do ni do de compression to compression chik che and yana rarefaction and compression chik nan chik the cha so dela frequency ma che dela frequency nyunga frequency ma yana time taken nyunga frequency nyunga time taken ma that is relationship between the frequency and the time taken okay the next dikhare na pitch tikarto pitch lana sra ke thole le der ma jo je tang de bala ke tho kya ne do ani roja tang gel lammi gi gel ge ani di physics la be kala di ke tho ga jire di mao ga jire le do so ke thole la de tho da ma ni ja la pitch la gorda phase high pitch or khase low pitch pena ne lingpu chitang batang ani karsa drums tung be kabla koni ki pitch logar pena baby ji guata mi gemba ji ani ta khala mu dat mu kala dachi kyora odita yana bujita pomuchi ke je chipachi kya she yana she chipachi kya tang tu kala pitch thole logar da thole de la kale re thoda ma ni ja la kale re pitch. The faster the sound wave moves, frequency will be higher and so with higher pitch. Okay. Faster la think the frequency khaje manga any time taken new arasa. So the frequency manga any time taken new tak chi do. Faster the sound wave khaje gyoga done tuju new ko kura. Ga puchi 100 meter dugo na khaje ko gyoga dugo na tuju new ko kura. So the chiku chikya sound di khaje gyoga dugo na tuju new ko kura. So frequency the time taken but takta chaza then di itu gala kaje sound di kaje fast dugo ne tuju nyunga che and sound kaje goga dugo ne frequency manga la du gala frequency manga produce gi na pitch die kare toires ra ke di toires high pitch so ta keras dengi wave ni tu gala kagi ni de la sound wave ni la pitch kagi tho do la na keras lamsa kharta ya re 오늘 지나 고추에 계시다. 야다 인데 마치나 나오라 웨브 탕 가져 망아서도 웨브 가져 탕 망아서요. 내 가래 frequency 망아이나 pitch di thor. 오케이. 다디 독조 가래라나 sound wave 가져 융아서요. 내 뒤져 망아고. 되니 inversely proportional 라사 frequency 융아이나 time taken di higher yours. Adilatu sound frequency 융아요라. sound wave formation one oscillation di 융아서요. 자 and pitch di 가래 low pitch. pena bujida pomochi she tangduga loje jikwa stangbaina pomoti high pitch dila du kana pomoti ki sound di record chidu kana machine na frequency manga produce here so frequency manga produce chidu sound ke di goga draw re time taking nyoma draw re frequency manga na pitch di thoj buti ka jikare low pitch chare contest low pitch chare lana sra ta machine na record che do so di du kana ke frequency di nyoma produce here doctor wave the new produce here and correct pitch the low pitch charge. Okay, so that is pitch catch. Or number of compression reflection passing a fixed point per unit time higher will be the pitch. Okay, pitch high kazu chagre lana sra pitch high kadu chaglana compression the reflection kazu mangayone frequent kazu mangayone and high pitch and compression the reflection kazu nyunga sune and kare low pitch restless. The next the amplitude. Characteristics shiva the amplitude. Thozelar. Yeah, and the wave tone thozer da yeah the ke chile like was a loudness ke chile. Ke chijung da ke khaju che ne energy mangar ke chile la da ke thole la de lower ke thole la na pitch chasa ke chile la na any amplitude. The loudness or softness of a sound is determined by its amplitude. Ta ngajo di sangma kare sound wave ne che dur oza wave di zeno shu to shu sue na ani kare ke di chebo gyar loud sound ani wave di mau shu ji produce chi na sound ani kare soft ke chinju gyar. Okay, so ke chebo da chinju la kale re amplitude. Jam jo jinje na la pu tun jo la diwa gyu ga la kashi pu ga she ga le ke ga mi do ke chimbu ga tu mi do ani ke che ma ko ne khala de ya la tu mi do kashi ga le ke chimbu shu do right so ke chimbu da ke thole le de lo ga ta so amplitude la na ke chele. If we beat the drum hard, it will produce a loud sound because the sound wave has got high energy. Okay, so majo drum chi shuk chimbu dungnas ra and di kachi res ke chimbu chi res kachin re la nas ra ani anda majo drum di sound produce chi ka bla kare beat chi du energy transfer chi ra da ye dokto majo kare potential energy da kare ji sangwa transfer chi the sound wave produce machine di the drum di vibrate membrane di vibrate ne ani sound produce your sound di chimbo ko igim je kare ani kola membrane de la high energy kare ra res la. If we beat the drum lightly, it will produce a soft sound because the sound wave has got less energy. Kaise na jo drum ji khali ande thangbo changwe kala khali dung chu da di na si do kala khali gwa dung chu da. Okay, so dite dung du kala kare da de ke chinju khores osa kachin ne da de energy ni ni chma de mar kachin re ta todo topic kala da science ke concept related rehta so transfer of energy chine ta sound di membrane di drum ki membrane di lightly beat chi ja ko kare vibrate chu chimbu chi tu ba di ma che sa sound di and ke chimbu di ka sa ten tu ba so sound energy de la sound de la less energy res la the amplitude ki symbol kare capital A here and the amplitude di khande se ore la na sa unity chena ajo wave thoje ya ye wave chik thier da ns change chik thier yani chik dears thier d height titars and then you remove the tira okay d height titars so amplitude jena calculation to the symbol a che any SI unit kare meter kaje any some wave the thought thier ne cha ne on the kare ke che tongor any some wave the chinju means height chinju ma so mena and de la pa meter nyunga ra so the amplitude nyunga na khala re ke di chunga re star Okay, that any pitch that is somehow that wave chigne any study chair. Then another sound wave A the B dot that then a frequency maya compression two consecutive compression and wave chick chara frequency chick and oscillation chick and they connect chick C chick so chick the chara dot chick madu right set chick so there is one oscillation and one frequency and one wavelength so they like the frequency manga frequency manga frequency manga na 갑두시에나 근데 왜 탕마 가진 망아 차네 프리퀀시 망아 되게 망아요나 두수 용어 뭐래 망아요나 깨디카래 톨 high pitch so this is high pitch 저만지 인더스트리도 frequency 거기라 망아도 A 더 B some wave 디나신 거기라 high pitch 도 거기라 low pitch 도 레도 तनिवा데라 some wave niwa데라 가서 말해 compression two consecutive compression set chick 도 양나 대시 셈바도나 two consecutive rarefaction chick 만도도 set chick okay so diladu some wave chick 만도 말아 one oscillation yana one frequency chick 만도다 so diladu kala frequency nyungaena tan taken mama che and frequency nyungaena kala pitch kala low pitch so frequency the pitch kala jewa others frequency higher the pitch lower the frequency and lower the pitch or the frequency the pitch for the jewa and frequency the time taken the inversely proportional chasa okay and this is amplitude la ta sound wave in the shorta the thosest or the amplitude okay symbol colors of a unit colors of meter okay tang ma sound wave instrument divide this thing and they are mixed in the calculation here the a the b na so tang ma la wave instrument ma to na and the amplitude divadura ine the mean position here the particle yama bunchura mean position dira so the amplitude kagi thodo la na di thodo dila di does we produce here a vibrating object we produce here the correct loud sound the loud the correct soft this of ke chunga ke che ta ajo machine na tu bala ke che chunga khande sabu re ya che tu re like to the sensation ki habotura right stimulate chitu gala ta ine machine na chitu gala and they kare di ke che dos khande sabu re amplitude tho dos ra amplitude ma dos and then ashin di kare ke di chunga dos khachene amplitude nu dos ni cha unit kare meter na express chu next the timber oh